Hi, I'm Alex, and in today's video I want to talk about whether or not you should buy a 12.9-inch iPad Pro or an 11-inch iPad Pro if that's what you're trying to decide between. Now for me, the distinction and what's leading that is relatively simple, although we are all different and I have seen people use both devices for different reasons. But the way I look at it is that the 11-inch iPad Pro is really good if you're looking for a tablet. So, it's in an iPad, it's in a keyboard, Magic Keyboard case here, and it's really quite light. I'll leave the grams up on the screen here, but I can pull it up here, write on it with the Apple Pencil, and for me, for many years, I've used this more as a notepad replacement. Now, I've changed what I use to take my notes daily on it, but if you want to hold this in your hand for hours and hours on end, take notes in a meeting, and look at the web, it is a really useful tablet. However, I think for me, that the way I looked at the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, if I pull this out, it is a lot bulkier device. If I'm just holding it one-handed, this is not a one-handed device, this is heavy. I mean, you can hold this with two hands, you can lead, every time I let go with this hand, it feels bulky. Again, I'll leave the weight on screen. If I pull that up there, I'm going to use this device day to day, but importantly, I'm not looking to hold it as much as I did with the 11-inch iPad Pro. So I'm going to put this back in the keyboard case here, and I think this is the key. For me, it's this almost laptop-like form of how I'm looking to use the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Now, you can use the 11-inch iPad Pro in a very similar way, but for me, in laptop form, 11 inches is just a little bit on the small side. And when I have this in front of me here, using it like this, I mean, I could use this for hours, almost as a word processor, to browse the web, to watch films, to watch educational, to do continuing professional development, whatever it is I need to do. So that's the difference for me of both of these devices. If you're looking for something that's more to replace a laptop day to day, and I'm not going to get into debate in this video about what a laptop is, what a computer is, but importantly, 12.9 inches, particularly with this Magic Keyboard, is a really useful size to be able to do that. 11 inches for me, it's a little bit small for a laptop, but absolutely great when you pick it up and say, look, I just want something in my hand, particularly the Apple Pencil, and you can hold it for hours on end. So if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I hope that's been helpful, and until next time, I've been Alex. Thanks for watching.